Next gland is ovary. A pair of ovary is located in lower abdomen in female body. The ovaries, they act as primary sex organs and they release one ovum during each menstrual cycle. And ovary, they produce two steroid hormones, number one estrogen and number two progesterone. In the ovary, there are present Graafian follicles at different stages of maturity. This is the TS of ovary, and in which we can see the Graafian follicles, follicular cells, which are at different stages of growth, and these are called Graafian follicles. One cell in the Graafian follicle, it enlarges to become ovum, and the surrounding cells, these are the follicular cells. Ovum is released from the most mature Graafian follicle and the process is called ovulation. After the release of the ovum from this Graafian follicle, ये जो remaining cavity और जो follicular cells हैं, this regressing Graafian follicle, it is called corpus luteum. So the two hormones, estrogen and progesterone, they are released by these Graafian follicles. Estrogen is released by these follicular cells of the Graafian follicle and the progesterone is released by the corpus luteum. Let us see their functions one by one. What are the functions of estrogen? Number 1. It stimulates the growth and activities of female secondary sex organs. It helps in development of growing ovarian follicles, which are also called Graafian follicles. It helps in growth of ovarian or Graafian follicles. It helps in appearance of secondary sexual characters in females. What are secondary sexual characters? Which help us to distinguish a male from a female, like high pitch of voice, development of mammary glands, and the estrogen, it also regulates female sexual behavior. And the functions of progesterone are, progesterone, it supports pregnancy and it acts on the mammary glands to stimulate the formation of alveoli. Alveoli, these are sac-like structures which store milk in the mammary glands. So, the progesterone, it supports pregnancy, it acts on mammary glands and stimulates the formation of alveoli, that is sac-like structures which store milk, and it also stimulates the secretion of milk from mammary glands after the birth of the child.